everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reading Seek and Find Places. And here's Pablito. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reading Seek and Find Places. Let's start reading! Seek and Find Places. Can you find these? Can you find the clock? It's right there! Can you find the bird? Birdie, birdie, birdie. Right there! Can you find the school bell? School bell, 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 bell. Ding, 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 ding. Can you find the hopscotch? Hopscotch is right there! Can you find the flag? Flag, 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 right there! Can you find the teacher? She's right there! She's pretty! Can you find the student? Student is there! Can you find the backpack? Backpack. This is a tricky one. It's right there. Can you find the crossing guard? He is there. Can you find the swing set? It's right there. Can you find these? Can you find the tire swing? It's right there. Can you find the shuffle? Right there. Can you find the slide? It's right there. Can you find the butterfly net? It's right there. Can you find the owl? It's right there. Twit to woo. Can you find the fishing pole? It's right there. Can you find the trash can? It's right there. It's stinky. Can you find the basket? It's right there. Can you find the bench? It's right there. Can you find the rake? It's right over there. Can you find the drawing? It's right there. Can you find the box? Can you find the cat? It's right there. Can you find the cactus plant? It's right there by the window. Can you find the broom? It's right there. It's for sweeping the floor. Can you find the dog bowl? It's right there. Can you find the soap? It's right there beside the sink. Can you find the clock? It's right there. Can you find the mouse? Squeak, 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 squeak. There, under the table. Can you find the teddy bear? There's the teddy bear. Ding, ding, ding. You found them. Can you find these? Can you find the hot dog? It's right there. Can you find the watermelon? It's right there. Can you find the ice cream? This is a tricky one. There! So tiny, the little boy's holding it. Can you find the flowers? It's right there. Can you find the apples? It's right there. Can you find the stroller? It's right there with a little cute baby in it. Can you find the popcorn? It's right there. Can you find the hat? It's right there. Look, this little child is wearing it. Can you find the pear? It's right there. Can you find the broccolis? It's right there. Seek and find. Kids will love saying, I found it! With these adorable seek and find books that feature sweet illustrations of whimsical senses. While they're having fun, they'll be sharpening concentration and matching skills too. Collect them all! Bye everyone, hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you tomorrow. Bye!